Mass.
Today is National Hugging Day. National Hugging Day is an annual event dedicated to hugging in the United States. The day is often accompanied with organizations of hugging events aimed for fundraisers for charities. Now we're done with that talk. On to lunch! Three, two, one.
Today's lunch is personal round pizza, baked glaze, seasoned green beans, carrots and ranch, diced pear cup, banana, and milk.
Tomorrow's lunch is cheeseburgers, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles, baked beans, broccoli, ranch, apple slices, grapes, and milk.
Hey guys, Deadpool here with your
Groot.
January 22nd Theme
Groot.
Thursday here, featuring Groot, of course.
I am Groot.
And January 22nd Theme Thursday is
I am Groot.
not. It is not I am Groot. It is dressed like a superhero today. So just like me, Groot, or the Avengers back there.
I am Groot.
Or Dogpool back there.
I am
See my pet dog? Anyway,
Groot.
guys, Deadpool out.
I am Groot.
Hey Baxter, what are you doing here? Hello. I'm just eating my lunch, man. What is this? Something I found in the trash. Bias? Yeah. What is actually, speaking about bias, that reminded me of this conversation I had with my friend Pete the Cat a few weeks ago. You know?
Pete the Cat? How dare he? What did he do?
I was talking about how my favorite food is trash, you know, because I'm a raccoon and I love the trash.
Makes sense.
And he was like, oh no, trash is so disgusting. And I'm like, yo, I'm a raccoon. I love trash. You're a cat. You like
How
cat
dare
food,
you?
bro. You know?
You know what? Speaking of bias, let's figure out what that means. Bias, a tendency to favor a viewpoint over another, often leading to unfair judgments or actions.
Hey MS, the spelling bee is coming up. The grade level bees will begin Tuesday, January 27th, and the all-school final will begin on the evening of Tuesday, February 10th. Start practicing now. Bye!
Oh, hello. It's me, Mr. Jackson. Now, some of you may be wondering why attendance is so important. Well, put very simply, being in school makes school easier for you. When you're here, you have access to important information and you are practicing the skills that you need to be successful in all of your subjects and on all of your assignments. When you miss school, you're not getting that stuff and it all starts to pile up and you have all sorts of work that you're behind on and you're not practicing those skills and things just get harder and harder and harder and more frustrating. Put very simply, the more often you are here, the more likely you are to graduate. Thanks a lot.
Hey MS, since the giving tree is gone, if you need cold winter clothing like hats, gloves, and scarves, ask your grade level counselor. See you later, MS.
I'm sorry for interrupting, Miss Lance, but I'm here to recognize you for repping that A during the first grading period. We had a number of students that recognized you, so bear with me, everyone. Let's see. Brianna says she's so sweet and kind. Kyron Grant says she always makes class fun. Bella Sattler says she's always in a good mood and helps me when I need it, and she's a good teacher and staff member. Tyara Saunders says she is fun. Let's see. Sarah Lively, she makes us do fun songs, which makes the class have fun, and she has a lot of energy. She's the best teacher ever. Demaria Mason, she is so kind to everyone and never gets mad when she yells at us. So that's why I decided to choose her. Brooklyn Burris, she's always making class fun, even when we're down and upset. Caleb Gammersfelder, she helps me when I need help with science. Sarah Bell Woodward says that Miss Lance has turned science into a fun environment. We get to learn in fun ways that I've never learned before. She is kind and a fun person to be around, and that is why I'm recommending her to rep that A. And and she says that she would recommend you to any student. Addison Swager says she always has a lot of energy and never gives up. Maddox Meese says, I picked Miss Lance because she always has a lot of energy and she makes her lessons fun. Butch Fortner says Miss Lance is a really kind teacher and she's always on task. She lets us do labs, and that's the favorite part of her class. Shariah Fortner said that all the way from the first day of school, Miss Lance opened her class with welcoming arms and caring words of support for the year. She starts the day off with a great start. She gives time, effort, and patience, and she is respectful of all students, and she loves and cares for them. Thank you, Miss Lance.
Thank you, guys.
And then, told you there was a lot. That's the last one. Great job, Miss Lance.
I have good students to work with, so thank you.
Okay. I'm going to have you hold this up and look at Eric, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great job. Ms. Stauffer, sorry for interrupting. We have one student to recognize for repping that A during this grading period. Student recognized by Mr. Sams is Americus Everling. Mr. Sams says Americus is always putting forth her best effort and striving to do her very best in class every day. She's a pleasure to have and consistently demonstrates a positive attitude and outstanding work ethic. Great job, Americus. Proud of you.
Yeah, Meg!
Great job, Americus. Okay.
Hello.
I apologize for interrupting, but I'm here to recognize you, Miss Shipball, for repping that A during the first grading period. Tiana Melvin nominated you, and this is what Tiana had to say.
Okay.
Said, Miss Shipball is very sweet, and she helps me when I need help with my math work. She's the best. Great job, Miss Shipball. Great job.
Very much.
All right. Go ahead. All right.
Thank you, guys.
Great job, Miss Shipball.
Thank you.
Great job.
Hey, MS. These are the 4 B's. Be safe, be responsible,
Be respectful,
and
and most
holy.
importantly,
Be